I believe in the principles, and these guys, their background supersedes them. Everything these guys have touched in the last several years has turned to gold.
What we've always said is that if we can provide a decent return for our investors on a continual basis, they'll always come back. Well, guess what? They have. And they have continually come back.
They've have decades of experience of managing, operating single-family homes. They have a huge team that understands the complexities of owning, operating, maintenance, turnover, maintaining the home, the whole 9 yards. And we are in pre-construction mode. And here's what's super exciting about that. Usually, if you are going to be an individual investor trying to get into a project like this, it's not that plausible to do so.
For the individual investor to invest in real estate hands-free, hands-off, and get an 8% preferred return without doing anything, and then get the upside of the appreciation and put themselves in front of a demographic train that we're positioning this product in is unbelievable. And it removes all the stress, and it gives them an opportunity to diversify their portfolio, get into real estate, and it's with the Regulation A for a minimum of $1,000. I mean, you can't do it, and to get that investor level return, I mean, you can't, that's unbelievable. You don't see something like that.
Above the 8% profit distribution is going to be an additional 70-30 split, where 70% goes to the investor, 30% is going to go to the principals. So when you look at that blended average, it's likely going to be between 11 to 14% on the preferred passive income. In addition to that, we're looking at a cash-on-cash return is anywhere from 10 upwards 16.9% on the cash-on-cash, which is pretty healthy. And then on the internal rate of return, which gets really, really good because of the HUD loans being at a very competitive, almost 5.5% rate. That's going to increase by millions of dollars in profitability to our investors. So the internal rate of return is looking at upwards of 25% targeted. And then on the return on investment, we're looking at an annualized projected 25 to 30% an annualized return on investment with a 5-year holding period at average. We also have a third-party vendor called Core Connects. You could log in and log out just like any other self-directed platform and see the activity of your investment.
We want to make sure that our investors know what's going on. And then we're doing updated blogs, we're doing updated videos, we're showing what's going on with the site. When construction starts, they'll see the shovels in the ground. They'll see the crew out on the field or out on the site working. We're making sure that we're communicating with our investors continually.
And last but definitely not least, remember, this is a fund. We raised $30 million, the fund closes. That could be in 1 week, it could be 1 month, it could be in 6 months, I don't know. It takes 1 or 2 different investors to close out the round. Time is money. And the longer you wait, the longer you pose the risk of having this fund close out and not being able to capitalize on such an extraordinary opportunity.
Let us put this information in front of you. Have an open mind, talk to us. Let us communicate with you. Let us show you what we're doing. Let us show you what we've done in the past. Let us explain our track record. Let us give you the confidence that we know that we can demonstrate and relieve your fears of investing with us. At least give us that opportunity to address your concerns and answer them. If you don't want to invest with us, understand. But if you do, I think you're going to be very, very happy.